Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI NOVA Y61, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this Huawei. Start by locating Recorder app. When you find it, click on it. Now tap on this red button to start recording. You can pause it or unpause it by tapping on this right one. In order to add a bookmark, click on the left one. And in order to end it and save it, on the red one again. Now, in order to listen to your recording, click on it. You can also edit it from here. If you wish to rename it though, go back, hold it, select rename option, and type in wherever you wish to. Then click on OK. You can also get rid of your recording completely by holding it, but this time selecting this pin icon at the bottom in the middle and choosing Delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!